Welcome, friends, to week 2, day 3 of our study of Ephesians. I hope you're really enjoying digging deeper into this passage. Now, we've made a list of all the blessings that we've seen here. Now, what I want you to do is, as you read through the passage, see if you can see a way that Paul groups all this information. It's a really complicated section. So see if there's any order to it that Paul, whether he was just writing stuff at random, or if you can see the structure that he used in order to group this passage. What's even more interesting is that in the Greek, Paul wrote the New Testament was all written in Greek. That was the common language of the day, similar to English today, where most people in the world have access or speak English to some extent. Greek was the major language of the day. His home language would have been probably Aramaic or Hebrew, but Greek was the common language that was spoken. And so Paul wrote this in Greek. But anyway, this was all one sentence. Verses 3 to 14 was one sentence in Greek. So it's this very long, complicated sentence. And so look for the structure. See if you can figure out what Paul was doing and why he phrased it the way he did.